In this exercise, we will learn the transform option. The transform option allows us to rotate, scale, and wrap images. Let's see how this tool will work. I have opened an image. Let's select this, and then we're going to go to the Edit menu and Transform. Here we have some different options. We have a shortcut key to see these options. Select this image and press Ctrl and T to transform it, and then right-click it. We can see the same options here. Okay, here we have the scale option. We can scale the image to the left side, right side, or upside and downside, like this. Next, we have the rotate option. We can rotate the image in the specific angle that we want, something like this. Next, we have the skew option. We can click on any corner and drag it to any side, something like this. Then we have a distort option. We can click on any point and drag it to any side, like this. Next, we have the perspective option, and we can move our subject perspectively to any side, like this. Next, we have a warp option. It has a grid inside of it, and we can scale any point, like this. And we have handles on the corner points that will allow us to scale it, like that. Next, we have the rotate 180 degree option. We can rotate it, something like this. And then we have rotate 90 degree clockwise. And then we have the counterclockwise option. And then we have the flip horizontal option. And lastly, we have the flip vertical option. That's it. All right, in the next exercise, we will learn how to blur images with the blur option.